Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this edgy, festive, black, glittery eye. It is just life. I love the way that this look turned out. This was a look that I was wanting to do yesterday, but instead I did something else. And I have to say I'm so glad that I saved it for today because it's what I needed. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we're going to take this black gel liner in Immortal by Milk Cosmetics. You guys know I love their liners. And this is going to be a very simple, classic party look. And I'm going to take this gel liner to fill in my shape. And then also I'm going to be using it to create my wing. So again, you guys know I'm really into the cat shape right now, and that is what we will do. So this is the shape we are going for. I am going to try and fill this little patch in just to make it a little bit more rounded. Just like that. Very strong, rounded, dramatic end. I'm going to do the other eye and then we'll come back to do the next step. Alright guys, so I started to use a bigger brush. This is a Real Techniques liner brush just to fill in and help guide the rest of this look because it was just taking me too long. But now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to use a product that I've been dying to use but wanted to save specifically for this time. This is Black Caviar by Lemonhead LA. This was actually in collaboration with Sir John. And it's so beautiful. And I knew that I needed to use it for the holidays. So I'm just going to take this and then fill in the look. It looks so cool. I don't know if you guys can really make it out. I strategically placed a few glitter pieces right here just so that it catches the light when I move my head. The nice thing about using the black base for this is that it's going to help with using less of the glitter. And whereas if I use like a different base or something that wasn't as pigmented, then I would lose quite a bit of my product in just trying to place it so that it looked filled in. So now I'm just going to take this. I'm taking some of this glitter and then just following the edges. Oh, this looks so good. I hope that you guys can see what it's looking like. I love it. So now just to kind of play off of this a little bit, I'm going to go in with Sydney Grace Black Beach. And, oh shoot, I let out way too much. So I'm just going to go into it with the same brush. And then pat it just on the inner part of the eye. And then let's take a little bit of this and then just outline the edge of the eye. Again, just to add some dimension. I actually think that looks kind of cool. I don't know if it'll stay. As you guys can see, I'm pulling this glitter up so that it peeks through the edge of the eye. I think that looks really cool. So while that sets a little bit, I'm going to take Flawless Filter, and this is in the shade 4. And I'm going to blend this in with my hands. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and this is in the shade 31.5. And I'm just going to take a little bit onto this brush. So with this foundation, a little bit goes a long way, and you don't want to overdo it. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever in 4.3, and I'm just going to take this and place it into the inner part and then the outer corner. So my camera died. I'm going to take Cappadoce by NARS, and I'm just going to place that here and then blend it out with the same foundation brush. I've been really enjoying cream products to bronze my complexion. I love how natural it looks. And I find that they wear just as well on me as any other like powder product. I'm going to take a little bit of that and just run it down the sides of my nose. Remember, I'm not trying to lose my nose. Also, I feel that with a look that's this bold, you totally need to make sure that your complexion is bronze because it can go horribly wrong and you can look pale. I'm going to take my Tantastic by NARS and again just add more color to my complexion. I feel like the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter thing kind of lightened my complexion a little bit because I can totally get away with wearing the Smashbox foundation and not have it look light. And I looked at myself, I was like, whoa. I'm going to take this MAC palette, this was from last year, and I'm going to mix these two blushes. Again, it's all about adding color back to the complexion whenever you have such a strong look. I'm going to use this highlighter here and just pop it right at the high points. I'm going to use my Skindinavia setting spray. Alright guys, for my lips, I've lined them with Up and Down Tan. And I'm going to use this gloss by Maybelline in the color Silk. You guys already know what I'm going to say. I love, love, love just how dramatic this is. I love how sparkly it is. And my son walked in and saw it and he's like, Mama, I love your black eyes. It's like the stars. It melts my heart that he is so observant of my makeup. Anytime that I'm done like filming or do makeup, he's always like, Mama, I love, and then he'll point something out about it. It's just so cute. For some of you, this little peekaboo thing that's happening in the crease might drive you nuts, but as you guys saw, I did it on purpose and I love the way it looks. I love just that it looks so like edgy and unblended, but yet just so cohesive and smooth. I love it. Hopefully you guys can really pick up on the glitter. Oh, I love it. It's so edgy, like, I'm living for this moment. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I upload 3 videos a week. Leave me a comment down below letting me know, would you rock this? Is this your kind of thing? Would you want to see a different version of it? Something that's maybe a little bit more wearable? I mean, to me, this is totally wearable. I love the way that it looks. I think it's just edgy and glam. You could totally throw on a red lip with this and make it into something else. I just really wanted to keep the focus on the eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys had a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate, and that you're enjoying your holidays. Please be sure to stick around because come January I will be doing some giveaways. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. You guys literally have made my year better, and I appreciate you guys beyond what I can explain. I keep saying I appreciate you, but I do. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Hey, bye. Claim my mama.
Just a little reminder to subscribe to his mama.